Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's all right. In this video, I actually want to talk about something that I made a couple of videos about, um, and kind of figured that gonna make two videos in one on this one. I've made videos about wanting to at least rebuild Chateau De Noisy, the one that I visited a couple of times during my channel run, and that I actually visited the place where it were back in yes, well, a couple of weeks ago, well, last month really, um, and wanting to build uh, dispenser mansion from Resident Evil 1. And, well, I kind of figured that, sure, I can probably have better people to ask, but I did ask ChatGPT about uh, how much it will cost to build both of them. At least the Chateau de Noisy, according to uh, ChatGPT, is just the fact that um, considering materials, architectures, uh, and at least trying to update plumbing and everything like that, uh, could range between 15 million to 60 million euros, and that I can only imagine that doesn't really account for land acquisition, permits and stuff for building it. Um, so I can only imagine it could go up to like 70, 80 million euros. And considering the fact that uh, you can probably multiply that by 11 to get it into like Swedish kroners. So almost a billion Swedish kroners just to rebuild Chateau de Noisy, uh, which obviously I can't really afford that. I can't afford that one. Um, but going back to the Spencer mentioned from Resident Evil 1, there is some things to consider as well. Kind of depends on if you just want the mansion itself, according to ChatGPT, or if you want the guardhouse and the laboratory and tunnels and all that stuff. Um, and if you want it historically, um, so it kind of depends on how much you want to do it, really. Because apparently, um, if you want the tunnels, courtyard, guardhouse, helipad, giant courtyard, it could apparently, according to ChatGPT, exceed over 100 million US dollars, and that's also crazy. um, but as I said, it kind of depends on what you want to do, really. It could go down to between 20 and 50 million, um, but that is still a lot of money. Uh, please, well, just for the mansion itself could be between 20 and 30 million. But of course, the laboratories won't really be necessary at all. So of course, I'm gonna not build that one. Of course, I can have the helipad, I can have the guardhouse, I can have the uh, and all of the mechanisms itself maybe, but not the laboratories, since I won't really need it, to be honest. Um, but yeah, that is just a thought, and some people might find that very unnecessary. Um, but it is something that I have thought about and wanted to uh, explore. Um, so yeah, comment below what you think, like and subscribe, and if you want to support channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. And if you want a personalized video, I do have a Cameo, so if you want to do that. Otherwise, peace out.